Hello everyone, today we have a special video, and I said this last time about the Ghost of the Past when we didn't know we would get a Ghost Rare, but we got a pre-release of Lightning Overdrive. But before we get into the video, like and subscribe, we'll be doing this all summer. Anyways, let's get started. Now, we have a few of the books or cards. And by the way, I forgot to mention this. I'm really sorry. We get this since we got it from CM Games, which is cool because they gave us this Field Center card as well, and it's really nice. I like it. Anyways, let's get this started. Now, it has 9 cards, so it has a card trick to it. So let's do it. Okay, now Ice Barrier card, which is really cool. Wow. So yeah, Judas of the Ice Barrier. Spring Cannon Boodling. Sorry. Adventurements. I don't know. Clock Arc. A1 Challenge You. Dinosaur Dude. Pretty cool card if you ask me. DD Super Strike King Zero Melis. Cute little Arter Dude. That's his new name. Ooh, and a Trap Curlis. I want to search this up, how much it is, because it does have the gold lettering. By the way, if you can't see it, that's what it is. It has that gold lettering on it, but I don't know. I'll try to tell you all the cards values at the end, like all the big pools. But next pack. Now we only have 10 because we couldn't buy a booster box, so yeah, it kind of sucks. But hopefully, out of these 10, we get something cool. I mean, we did just get a gold card, or a gold lettering card. Black Eye. Asmon Thingy Wonder Whale. UNL. Finding Springs of the Far East. Sunnova. Dark Eye Nightmare. Borakazanizes. Zexel Eris. And, ooh, here's a cool one. Zexel Consteneric. Zexel card. Hey. Yeah, that's the name. Yeah. Anyways, next pack. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, that's a cool art. It's hard to read right there, but you know, they're all new cards, so I don't know. Starmine, Warrock Mums, Madamum, not Mums, Clock Horus, yeah. Warrock Big Bloom, Merry-Go-Round, S-Force Dog Tag, One Creep Away, Dark Eye, and sick. Okay, I think it's called Harrison Park. Sorry, this card right here. Sorry, guys. Oh, guess. That doesn't matter. Let's see what we get in next. Now, another thing that we got is, by the way, real quick, we have this whole binder where we have the cards that we pulled already, right? We're gonna put all the cards that we pulled from the set in there. So, Spring Gauge Brother, Gamer. Okay, so this is a rare right here. Is Lavova X Lord. So He looks cool. He looks really cool. I don't know. We only have Laval Archer and that little Laval girl person from the Ghost of the Past. So that's really cool that we got another one. Anywho, let's go to our next ones. Raiden Racer, Black Eye, Wonder Whale, Boo Boo Game, Sunvine, Dark Eye. Sorry about that. Violet's Can, and another gold lettering, which this is scary because like second one we have, and I may be just acting like, oh, what? No, wait. When it's like an $80 card, but it's a Arab Balloon Brand Dragon. Okay, so I don't know. Hopefully, it's something good because like these are pre-release packs. Like that would be cool. Anyways, another Clockweiser, Warrock, a new one, Scream of the Band, one of by one. This is just a new art of an older. I don't know. It's cool. S-Force, Dog Tag, a one creep away, Dark Eye, Triss, Redwood, and a Dark Infris hashtag Ignis. I know. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Oh, sorry. We got 4 packs left. Maybe we could get something. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Alright. Shinx. Not Shinx, that's a Pokemon. Sphinx, sorry. X Arm Sage. Ewan Ale Later. Ale Meet You. Special Show. Scrap Raptor. Warrock. And Thorn of the Abyss Angel. Alright. Let's see what we get out of this one. Now, I like the cover art one, like this one, that card, because it really reminds me of Utopia. I don't know why, it just does. It does, and it's so cool. I want it so badly. Anyways, Cervine Crossbreed, a new one. Benjamin Mephistos. Buffo. Ah, sure. Clock Air, Boo Boo Game, and Dog Mentors. Zexa Weapon, Opponent's Twin Saber. I think that's how you say it. A1 Challenge You. Okay, that's an ultra rare. That's the Book of the Lauren Empiric. Something like that. It looks really cool. But let's read its effect real quick because it's a short one. Discard 1 card, then target 2 face-up monsters on the field. Change them to face-down defense position. I don't know. That cool. That's a cool card. It's a secret rare. So that's our first secret rare of the set. And like I said, that's kind of cool. I don't even care if we didn't get the cover art anymore because that's like this is a pre-release. I don't expect too much. But we got a secret rare, or not secret rare, ultra rare. But 2 more packs. Let's go through this. Scream of the Band, 1 by 1, Black Eye, Ripping Racers, Underroof, Spring Can Brother, Demar, Scarus, and a Staler Rummer. Alright. Cool. Last pack. Hopefully, we get something good out of this. Why U and L AI? Oh, it's AI. Okay, sorry. Hidden Springs of the Far East, Sphinx, Arm Sage, Zexal Arist, AI Meet You, Special Show, Scrap Raptor, and a new one, Supreme Cerevus Gorse. Something like that. That's all the packs. So, let me search up these few cards, because I want to say, like, some of these 3 cards, they ain't normal. So, I'm going to look up the pricing real quick. Let me do that, and then I'll come back at you. Right here. Oh, I should probably do that. I'm sorry, guys. $12 card, that's the $12 one. The Trap Tricks is 6, and the Branda Dragon, this guy, is 3. So, not a bad pricing on what we have for a free release. Like, we got an ultra rare. I don't think a lot of people are getting ultra rares out of this set right now. So, yeah. Well, that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to be doing this all week. Or not all week. Summer, I'm sorry. Anyways, see you next time. Peace.